Dear students, let us continue our construction chapter. Today's construction is to construct the tangents to a circle from a point outside it. Let us start with our exercise 6.2 first sum. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. So today we are going to draw a tangent to a circle from an external point. To start with, take any point O on the given plane as center. Draw a line 6 cm radius. Locate a point P 10 cm away from O. In other words, draw a line 10 cm. Name the line as OP. With O as center, draw a circle 6 cm radius. With O as center, draw a circle of radius 6 cm. Draw a circle of radius 6 cm with O as center. Bisect OP. Bisect the line OP. Measure 3/4 of the line. Draw arcs on either side of the line. Bisect the line OP. That means you have to divide the line into two parts, equal parts. Bisect OP. Join the arcs. Join the arcs. Join the arcs. Let M be the midpoint of OP. M be the midpoint of OP. M be the midpoint of OP. Taking M as center, MO as the radius. Either MO as the radius or MP as the radius. Draw a circle passing through the point O and P. Taking M as center, MO or MP as radius, draw a circle. Let this circle intersect the previous circle at 2 points Q and R. Let this circle intersect the previous circle at points Q and R. Join PQ, join PQ and PR. Join PQ and PR. PQ and PR are the required tangents. Measure the tangents. Measure the tangents PQ and PR. You will find PQ equals PR. Measure the tangents, you find PQ equals PR. PQ equals PR. Therefore, we conclude that tangents from an external points are equal. Therefore, we conclude that tangents from an external points are equal.
Now, let us do the second problem of exercise 6.2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on this concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also, verify the measurement by actual calculation. Now let us see what are concentric circles. Concentric circles are the circle which are having same center but different radii. Tangent is a line that touches the circle at one point only. And one mark question which can be asked in your SSLC examination is that how many tangents can be drawn from an external point? The answer is from any external point only 2 tangents can be drawn. Now let us move on to the construction. Step 1. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm with center O on the given plane. Draw a circle of 6 cm radius taking O as center and locate point P on the circle and join OP. Now you are seeing 2 circles which are having same center O but having different radius. Circle C1 and C2 are called as concentric circles. Bisect OP by drawing the perpendicular bisector of OP. Let M be the midpoint of PO. Taking M as its center and MO as its radius, draw a circle. Let it intersect the given circle at point Q and R. Join PQ and PR. Now PQ and PR are required tangents. And these two are the tangents drawn from an external point. Their length must be equal. Now measure the distance of the tangent PQ which seems to be 4.9. PQ is equal to PR, which is 4.9 by measurement. Also, we are asked to calculate the length, for which we can use Pythagoras theorem. Now here we have a right triangle PQO, which is right angled at Q, 90 degree. And the radius OQ 4 centimeter, and OP we know the radius of circle C2 6 centimeter. We know OP is the hypotenuse in the triangle, right triangle PQO. Hence, by applying Pythagoras theorem, for this right triangle PQO, OP square is equal to OQ square plus PQ square. We know OP is 6 centimeter, so 6 square is equal to OQ is the radius of circle C1, so 4 square plus PQ square. 6 square is 36, which is equal to 16 squaring 4 square plus PQ square. Therefore, PQ square is equal to 36 minus 16, which is 20 centimeter. So, PQ square is 20, PQ is square root of 20. Reducing the third, 2 root 5.
That's equal to 4.47.
PQ is approximately 2 root 5. By calculation,
4.47. 4.47.